If you go down to the bottom right hand corner and click on the cog, you'll get three interlinked circles, and then click on there, and then that brings up the filter options. I'm just going to go through them and you can see which ones you prefer. This little slide bar on the top, which is on 100, you can turn that down if you want, so it's not so harsh, the filter. Because with some of the filters you can lose some clarity. So I'll leave you to watch me going through the filters and the different choices. I hope you like this video, found value in it. Please like and subscribe. If you notice as well, on the timeline there's three little dots as well. It's highlighted and you're fiddling around with the filters. See me playing around with the filters now. Intensity of the filters. I don't know if that's right, but the intensity of the filters.